Hatua ya kwanza ni hapa katika kizuizi cha Kanagoni, mahala ambapo ni sharti upewe ulinzi wa kutosha kuelekea.
Mohamed Ali of the famous TV investigative series Judicial was today arraigned before a Nairobi court to face charges of allegedly stealing a mobile phone sometime back in June last year. Police claim the phone was stolen from Al Amana Electronics in the city center. But Mohammed, who denies the allegations, says that he is a victim of harassment by the Kenya police. Ali says the saga started last year when he bought a new Nokia phone from a friend of his. The handset had not been used. He says he used the set for a few weeks before he acquired another set. He says a few weeks later, CID officers summoned him to Central Police Station, where he met some officers who told him that one of his phones had been stolen from a shop, and he was asked to surrender the phone, and he identified the person who had sold the phone to him. The police, who did not take his statement, told him he was free to go and that they will track down the seller and investigate. However, a few months later, some police officers started calling him and harassing him. At this point, Mohammed Ali instructed his lawyers to write to the CID director, Ndegwa Muhoro, and the director of public prosecutions and the district criminal investigative officer who is based at the Central Police Station in Nairobi. His lawyers, Kipkenda and Company Advocate, wrote to the above officials on 16th March 2012, complaining that Ali was being harassed and intimidated by the police and demanded that full investigations into the matter be concluded. The police did not reply to the letter. Ali says he was surprised 8 months later when he was summoned by the police and arraigned in court on charges of stealing the Nokia cell phone valued at 120,000 shillings. Ali was taken to court even before police could take his statement on the matter. Police officers handling the case have not denied the fact that indeed the man who allegedly stole the phone and sold the same to Mohammed Ali's colleague is known to them, and at some point they had made efforts to have him arrested. It is also not clear why the man in question has not been arraigned in court. Why the police decided to charge the KTN investigations reporter and not the man who sold the phone to his colleague, according to Mohammed Ali's lawyers, amounts to harassment by state agents out to scare KTN from airing bold investigative pieces.
Pastor Chemurei was shot and killed right in front of his family members.
Only last week, Mohammed Ali and his colleague Dennis Onsarigo reported that a senior police officer had been trailing them on 5 different occasions at popular eateries in the city.
Walielekezwa hadi katika hoteli hii ya kifahari na kunasa shehena kubwa zaidi ya dawa za kulevya aina ya cocaine.
Last year, the 2 investigations reporters ran a bold investigative piece on how drug dealers and state agents had frustrated investigations into the 6.4 billion cocaine seizure that named senior government officials, among them police officers, as being behind the largest cover-up of the cocaine trails in the explosive investigative series Paruanja la Mihadarati and Untouchables. Mohammed Ali believes that police are out to intimidate him.
Niko katika ikulu ya Portland.
KTN will continue standing for public interest by airing stories that touch on the ugly side of society without fear or favor.